you wash your face, start eating your flowers. Wash your hands and clean your fingernails. Now, Melda, you mustn't be. Wash your hands and clean your fingernails. Yes, darling, it must be. Wash your hands and clean your fingernails. Just sweeping to make your bed is of interest. Then you go away last night's business. Wash your hands and clean your fingernails. Don't mind, don't stop there now. Wash your hands and clean your fingernails. Go. Wash your hands and clean your fingernails. Well, no, you must go. Clean and tidy, naturally go get your clothes ready and give your teeth a good brushing. Wash your face and your something. Wash your hands and clean your fingernails. Now, Melda, you mustn't be. Wash your hands and clean your fingernails. You give him up. Oh. Wash your hands and clean your fingernails. You'll be much cleaner all over. Bless your hands on your Julius Caesar. Wash your hands and clean your fingernails. Don't mind, don't stop at all. Wash your hands and clean your fingernails. Oh, Melda, you must be. Wash your hands and clean your fingernails. Wash your hands and clean your fingernails.
This dance is called Wash Your Hands. It's a 16 counts forward beginner level line dance, starting with the right foot. Section 1. Weight is on the left. Step forward right. Step forward left. Rocking chair. Rock step forward on right. Recover onto left. Rock step back on right. Recover onto left. Step forward right, step forward left, pivot quarter right turn, weight onto right foot facing 3. Left twinkle, cross step left, step right to right side, step left beside right. Weight is now on the left foot. Section 2, cross, recover side, cross right, step back on left, step right to right side. Cross step left, step back on right, step left to left side. Step forward right, forward left. Pivot quarter right turn, weight onto right foot facing 6. 4 left, making a quarter right turn facing 9. Rock back, recover. Rock step back on right, recover on to left. Then we go over with the steps one more time. Forward, forward. Rocking chair. Forward, forward per quarter right. Left twinkle. Section 2, cross, recover side. Cross, recover side. Step forward, right, forward left, quarter right, quarter right. Back, rock, recover. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. In this dance, there are 2 restarts on wall 4 and wall 8 after the first 8 counts. I'm facing 12 now. Wall 4 starts facing the 3 o'clock wall. Dance the first 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. Restart the dance facing 6. Wall 8 starts facing the 9 o'clock wall. You'll also dance the first 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. Restart the dance facing the 12 o'clock